Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Kesharwani. Today I will represent the chemistry in your syllabus. So basically uh, in this chapter we discuss the elements, compounds and chemical equations. Before starting my lecture, this is the part of chemistry. Basically what is the chemistry? As you know, science is divided into three parts according to your syllabus. First one is the physics, second one is the chemistry, and third one is the biology. Today I will discuss about the chemistry. Not for physics, not for biology, we discuss matter. So, what is the chemistry? So, chemistry is the branch of science in which we study about substance, their composition and structure are called chemistry. So basically in which we study about the substance and its composition and its structure and all about study in a branch of science, and that branch of science is said to be chemistry. Okay. Now basically if we discuss matter, if we classify the matter, means classification of matter. As you know, what is matter? Anything which have mass and occupy space are called matter. Anything which have mass and occupy space called as matter. Like as chalk, table, chair, etc. So these are this is the definition of matter. Anything which have mass and occupy space are called matter. Matter is basically, according to your syllabus, are classified into two categories. First one is the pure substance and second one is the impure substance. What is the pure substance? Those substances which made up of only one kind of substances. Those substances made up by only one kind of matter. Only one kind of matter or only one kind of substance, right? So these are called pure substance. What is pure substance? Those substance which is made up of two or more than two substances are called impure substance, right? Now, if we classify the pure substance, then we form the two substances, two types of substance. First one is the elements, and second one is the compounds. Elements, what is element? As you know, in the universe, any substances is made up of small particle, and that small particle is said to be an atom. Means even we also made up of atom. This marker is also made up of atom. This whiteboard is also made up of atom. Means universe में जितनी भी चीजें हैं, all these things are made up of a smallest particle, and that smallest particle is said to be an atom. So what is element? Those pure substance which is made up by only one type of atom is called elements. And what is compound? Those substance which is made up by element in a fixed ratio called as compound. After some time, we discuss what is compound in detail. But here, we discuss the element. Before discussing this topic, let's discuss what is the impure substance. As you know, those substances which are made up of two or more than two types of substances are called impure substance. Like as this impure substance is also called mixture. This is also called mixture. As you know, in case of you mix salt with sugar, that is called impure substance. Right? Now discuss what is the element. So, elements, substance which have only one kind of atom. Basically, what is atom? Let's see. Atom. It is the smallest particle of a matter which cannot exist independently. So these are the atom. Actually, atom is made up of three particles. First one is the electron, proton, and neutron. Right? So, atom, what is atom? It is the smallest particle of matter which cannot exist independently. Right? Now, Symbols of element. Firstly, we take an example of element like as nitrogen, carbon, sulfur, oxygen, etc. So these are the examples of element. Now what is the symbols of these elements? As you know, nitrogen have symbol capital N, carbon have symbol capital C. How symbols of element can be expressed? Symbols of element. Elements can be expressed by a short notation called as symbol. किसी भी एलिमेंट को एक छोटे से नोटेशन के द्वारा एक्सप्रेस किया जा सकता है एंड दैट expression is said to be symbol. Example, nitrogen is symbolized as N. Sodium is symbolized as Na. Right? Calcium is symbolized as Ce. So these are the symbols of elements. How we can write the symbols of elements? हम कैसे इस सिंबल्स को लिख सकते हैं? There is 3 rules for writing the symbols of element. 3 rules for writing symbols of element. First, by first letter of element name. Example, carbon. Carbon का first letter C से, that symbol is C. Hydrogen, that is H, right? And oxygen, what is the symbol of oxygen? Students, tell me. That is O. Very good. Now the second rule. By first and second letter. Like as कैल्शियम. अब हमें कैसा पता चलेगा कि अब कैल्शियम का सी लेना है कि सी ए लेना है? फर्स्टली when you go in higher class you studied for the periodic table. Actually periodic table have 118 elements, 118 elements, in which the symbols of various elements are different. So अगर हम मान लिया कार्बन का कैल्शियम का भी सी लिखिए, कैल्शियम का सी लिखिए, तो वी कैन कंफ्यूज दैट दिस सी इज मेंशन फॉर कार्बन और कैल्शियम. So for refusing this confusion, firstly we write calcium, that Ca, first letter and second letter. Now the neon, that is Ne, right? You are so very intelligent. So what is the symbol of Li? As you know, in the board you can see that L and I. So, right? Also various examples are taken. As you know, in case of magnesium, Here M and G is taken for symbol of magnesium. Right? So these are the symbols of element. Now the third rule. From Latin word, like as natrium. Natrium is a Latin word which indicates sodium. So what is the symbol of sodium? That is Na. Kalium, that is, it is used for potassium. So what is the symbol of potassium? That is K. Right? Aurum, it is used for gold. So that is Au. Argentum, this is used for silver. So the symbol is Ag. So these are the symbols of element. Right? So these are the symbols of element.